Hello everyone, today I have a little bit different video for you guys. It's a little bit more impromptu, but I just wanted to show off what I have set up here. So this detector I was able to get because it has normally open and normally closed relay outputs, which is nice for essentially turning off power to your printer if a fire occurs. It's also cool because it has both smoke detection and thermal detection. So if either one of them trips, it will switch the relay. I have a 12 volt power supply. I just pulled that off of an old device I'm no longer using, powering this smoke detector, thermal detector, and then I have the contacts here wired normally closed that go to this really cool brick here I found off of Amazon that essentially, I believe it supports up to 30 amps, and it has always on outlet, a normally on outlet, and two normally off outlets. So essentially, until this fire alarm turned on this relay, these two outlets remain powered off, and then whenever a thermal event occurs, these two immediately get power cut off. So let's go ahead and turn this on, and you'll see this relay turned on. We're just gonna have to wait here just a few seconds. It takes a little bit for the fire alarm to essentially get calibrated and turn on, and it'll blink the LEDs here in just a second. There we go. And now I'm just gonna grab this Allen key here to press this test button just to show what happens. Just like that. If the event was detected, it would immediately turn off power. So again, this is just an additional safeguard. I'm gonna have, I just noticed this doesn't have the alarm built in, so I will have another fire alarm side by side with this to trigger an audible alarm so I know what's going on, but at least this will cut off power even if something even if the printer firmware or something like that doesn't turn off another relay. And if you know, I've also been talking about the Moonraker plugin for Clipper that allows you to turn off relays. So I'm going to have that as another layer of redundancy just to hopefully catch it before anything like this won't have to get tripped. And with that, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this and found it helpful. I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.